Intro. What if your car could repair itself after damage? No workshops, no waiting, just advanced technology. Today, we explore one of the most revolutionary future car concepts ever created, a self-healing car that could change the automotive world forever. Section 1, The Idea. The concept of a self-healing car is inspired by materials that can repair microscopic damage on their own. Engineers and designers are now applying this technology to future vehicles, making cars smarter, stronger, and more durable than ever before. Section 2, How Self-Healing Works. Self-healing cars use advanced materials such as carbon fiber composites and nanotechnology. When cracks or scratches appear, the material reacts to heat or electrical energy, allowing the surface to repair itself automatically. This technology reduces long-term damage and increases the lifespan of the vehicle. Section 3, Futuristic Design and Technology. Beyond self-repairing materials, these future cars feature aggressive aerodynamics, electric powertrains, and AI-based driving systems. The design is not just about beauty, every line improves performance, efficiency, and safety. Section 4, Why This Matters. A self-healing car could dramatically reduce maintenance costs and improve road safety. Small damages that usually grow into major problems would simply disappear. This technology represents a major step toward fully intelligent vehicles. Future impact. As electric and autonomous cars continue to evolve, self-healing materials could become a standard feature in future vehicles. What once felt like science fiction is now becoming reality. Outro/CTA. This is the future of automotive innovation. If you enjoy future cars and advanced technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you drive a self-healing car? Let us know.